हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम रजनी महतो एंड हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं प्रेपोजिशन की एक्सरसाइज। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द ओल्ड मैन डाइड विथ कैंसर। देयर वॉज नथिंग द डॉक्टर्स कुड डू टू क्योर हिम। ओके, सो यहाँ पे डाइड विथ की जगह होगा डाइड ऑफ। सेकेंड, वी हैड बीन लुकिंग अबाउट हर इन द फील्ड व्हेन वी हर्ड हर क्राइज फ्रॉम बिहाइंड बुशेस। सो इसमें हमारा अबाउट की जगह क्या होगा? फॉर। वी हैड बीन लुकिंग फॉर हर इन द फील्ड। थर्ड, Rajesh aimed for winning the match but he lost as he was unwell. So Rajesh aimed for winning की जगह होगा aimed at winning. Question number 4, he agreed to me for not going to forest because there was wild animal in it. So he agreed टू की जगह पे क्या होगा? विद। कंपनी दे रहा है साथ में। ही एग्रीड विद मी फॉर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एज द मैटर वॉज वेरी सीरियस दे वर एडवाइज टू अटेंड ऑन इट इमीडिएटली। सो ऑन की जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? टू। To attend to it immediately. Okay. Question number 6, he is very weak in English, therefore his parents are looking for any good English tutor. So he is very weak in की जगह पे यहाँ हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? at. He is very weak at English. Question number 7, you have to be careful with him as he is very mean, quarrelsome. You have to be very careful of him. Okay. Question number 8, we were not familiar by the place, so we wandered here and there asking many people about the address. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? We were not familiar with the place. Question number 9, although the disabled man is incapable at doing heavy work, he is good at weaving the baskets. So यहाँ पे he is good at की जगह क्या यूज़ होगा? although the disabled man is incapable of Although the disabled man is incapable of doing heavy work, he is good at weaving the basket. Question number 10, the hotel is adjacent by the railway station. I had better stay there as there is no need of transport. So यहाँ पे by की जगह क्या आएगा? to. The hotel is adjacent to the railway station. Question number 11, my friend is gifted by a talent for singing but he does not try his luck in film industry. So my friend is gifted with a talent. Question number 12, Sapna's father is very worried with her because she has not cleared her recent exams. So Sapna's father is very worried with की जगह क्या आएगा? about her because she has not cleared her recent exams. 13th, the employee was feeling disappointed for not being informed earlier by the management. So इसमें the employee was feeling disappointed at, for की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? at का यूज़ होगा. The employees was feeling disappointed at not being informed earlier by the management. 14th, the people who are sympathetic with that leader have been asked to give active support. So यहाँ पे the people who are sympathetic to that leader have been asked to give active support. Question number 15. I have been to that place. The climate is perfect in growing many fruits. So the climate there is perfect for growing. Question number 16. They are kind with animals, therefore they have. Okay, so यहाँ kind to animals होगा. They are kind to animals. Question number 17. The little boy climbed over the wall and looked around to locate his lost dog. So यहाँ पे the little boy climbed over की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? up preposition का यूज़ होगा. climbed up the wall. 18th. In the morning while I was walking over the street, the two person ran past me. तो यहाँ over की जगह पे हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? over की प्लेस पे यूज़ होगा on, या फिर हम डाउन अक्रॉस भी बोल सकते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोग ऑन ही यूज़ करते हैं. इन द मॉर्निंग वाइल आई वॉज वॉकिंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट, टू पर्सन रैन पास्ट मी. 19th. When I showed the dog, it crawled below the table with its tail between its leg. So below the table की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? under the table. ये तो कॉमन प्रीपोजिशन हो गया. 20th. Children were very excited when the train pulled away from station. pulled away की जगह हम यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे out of station. Okay. Question number 21. As I was passing by the house, I saw a man on the gate smiling at me. So, as I was passing by the house, I saw a man at the gate smiling at me. 22. She was feeling very tired, therefore she sat on the sofa and leaned her head before the back of sofa. So before की जगह हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? against the back of sofa. Question number 23. I have been eating rice since many days. I am tired of eating it. So यहाँ since की जगह for यूज़ करेंगे. For many days. 24th. I have got various old stamps as I was interested at stamp collection in my childhood. So I was interested in stamp collection. Question number 25th. I am proficient at Hindi while my brother is very good in 4 languages. So I am proficient in Hindi. Okay. 26th. The instructor advised the new recruit to be careful with the gun as it could go off. तो ये go off की जगह go off is the right preposition. 27th. I couldn't catch on with him as he was running very fast. So I couldn't catch on him की जगह couldn't catch up with him. 28th. He fell from the horse when the horse lifted his front leg and refused to move ahead. So he fell off is the right preposition. 29th. It is said that coffee is harmful, therefore I prefer tea than coffee. So then, instead of then we'll use to. It is said that coffee is harmful, therefore I prefer tea to coffee. 30th. I don't know when he is coming back, but I am sure he will be here at Monday. So he will be here on Monday. 31st, I was responsible for the accident, so I was ordered to pay for damage of the car. So I was responsible for the accident, so I was ordered to pay for damage to the car. Okay. 32, the girl was searching about her wallet, but she couldn't find it anywhere. About की जगह क्या होगा? Searching for her wallet. 33, before anybody could blame him, he himself admitted for his mistake. So he himself admitted to his mistake. 34th, the book you are reading is not good. I have book which is superior than yours. So superior than की जगह superior to yours. 35th, the shopkeeper accused the man with stealing as he had spent a lot of time in and out of shop. The shopkeeper accused the man of stealing as he had a lot of time in and out of shop. 36, he drives a car very fast. One day or the other, his recklessness will lead into serious accident. So recklessness will lead to serious accident. 37, the fire had already destroyed the building, but it was put out with firemen, some of whom sustained injury. Put out by firemen. 38, he spoke about 15 minutes without a pause, but none of us was bored. So about he spoke for 15 minutes. As the teacher came in the classroom, the students stood up and bade good morning to sir. So teacher came into the classroom. 40, Rajesh had not seen his brother when he left for us, so he rushed to meet him. Rajesh had not seen his brother since he left for us. 41, he threw a stone to me. He threw a stone at me. 42nd, I cannot agree to you that demonetization. So I cannot agree with you that demonetization will be helpful in longer run. Next, I couldn't distinguish one thing with another because my eyes were full of dust. So I cannot distinguish one thing from another. 44, she has not visited her parents since marriage because the marriage was against the wish of parents. 45, she has got 4 cars beside the recent one which her father gifted her on her engagement. So यहाँ पे besides होगा. 46, she has not recovered fully with illness because she is suffering from jaundice. So she has not recovered fully from illness. 47, Vansh arrived at 1 p.m. at afternoon on Sunday after all his friends left for hotel to celebrate. So Vansh arrived at 1 p.m. in afternoon. Okay. 48, I stopped on his house for a while in the middle of storm on last Saturday. So I stopped at his house. 49. We had arrived at airport. 50. You must listen what your parents are advising you on the subject. So यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, listen to यूज़ होता है. You must listen to what your parents are advising. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.